Thank you, sir. First of all, Har Har Mahadev from the Nagari of Baba Vishwanath. And thanks to judges and jury members for selecting our research paper in this August gathering. My topic is sensitivity and fineness in typography on cycle rickshaws in cultural capital of India, Varanasi. If you read this poetry written by the famous writer Raghuveer Sahai about the cycle rickshaw, you can understand and you have a challenge to develop new things as an engineer or designer. It may sound like socialism to say we should treat horses like human beings, especially when one of them happens to be a human being, when we jump guiltily off a rickshaw and then feel sorry we have deprived the poor man of his livelihood and finally tip him out of pity. In all three cases, we are a trial to him and he has to endure us. It is only when we haggle over the fare that we approach equality. Come, you engineers of the 21st century, let us invent a cycle rickshaw in which the passenger and horse can sit side by side and just go for a spin. And what good will this do, you may ask? Well, if there is a disagreement between you and the horse, at least he would not have to turn around and get a crick in his neck. By Raghuveer Sahai. As an introduction, Varanasi is one of the classical and urbanized culture capital which presents India at world stage. According to Mark Twain, the American author, Varanasi is older than history, older than tradition, older even than legend, and looks twice as old as all of them put together. Varanasi from its establishment is the cultural capital of India. All bordering counties are centered to Varanasi. The flow of its grandeur was extended from local to universal extremes. Music, education, heritage, transportation, culture, civilization, and superstition, faith, etc. are followed by their tradition from the past. Art of writing shows potential and power as medium, which is the carrier of history and culture. Varanasi is the city which imposed a typographical image of Har Har Mahadev to Jai Sri Ram in the wits of Indian public. Even today, Varanasi is holds its ancient tradition and culture gracefully. To explore and understand Varanasi, tourists prefer an open and spacious transport to accomplish their necessity. Three-wheeler cycle rickshaw is the best ally and invention of cycle rickshaw was supposedly begun in 19th century, which had been adapted and modified by different civilizations around the world as per their requirements. India is also one of them who become accustomed to these three-wheelers as adventures convey and personalize it in a range of forms designed by several techniques. Varanasi is one of the empowered and prominent places in eastern part of Uttar Pradesh, India. More than 25 lakh people of Varanasi and thousands of tourists from other parts of India and world use various forms of transportation to travel in Varanasi. Among them, cycle rickshaw is one of the virtual medium for transportation in Varanasi. The rickshaw industry in India is highly unorganized, though no exact market size of the industry is available. A conservative estimate puts the number of cycle rickshaws in India at 10 million, including both the passenger rickshaws and the pedal carts used to carry goods. The increase in the number of malls and metros had increased the mobility of people, giving a boost to the sector. When a tourist or inhabitant travels on cycle rickshaw, they have to sense of freedom and level of comfort to feel the essence of Varanasi and the joy of being Banarsi. The neutral essence of joy and get when they travel by cycle rickshaw. They get chance to admire the visual appeal and creative designs to closet rickshaws near them. Typographical designs and graphic images made on cycle rickshaw attract them to have a high regard for artisans and their art. As a result of viewing typographical designs, pictograms, geometrical shapes, borders, symbols, mythological subjective designs, and imitation of nature make viewers to travel in the thought process. That how these designs were made and implemented on these cycle rickshaws. Furthermore, how their presence depict the heritage of Varanasi. Sensitivity and fineness in the terms of metal embossing art of typography on cycle rickshaw. This metal embossing tradition and rare skill-based art form of writing has been inspired completely from religious tradition and lifestyle of Varanasi. This skill-based art form also consists pictorial designs. This art form is being delivered by 10 shops situated in 4 major areas of Varanasi. It's called Beniabag, Khojwa, Laurabir, and Badigabi. These 4 areas are situated in the range of 5 to 7 kilometers in center of Varanasi. This is an art form which has passed on from father to son and master to student. This art form is patrimonial. Present artisans are second generation carrying forward this art form. These artisans belong to various castes and religions. The artisans use the tools. We regularly not use it. Some of them are the metal, the marker, the rounder, it's called parkar, the chisel, especially called the cheni, the hammer, it's hathodi, the L-shape ruler is called gunia, the stencil is called farma, and the cutter. The planning for that, first client come. Client provides basic information and details which he wants to be designed on his rickshaw. The general requirement of these designs are pictograms, symbols, and subjective designs. Sometimes they also demand for a special image language used for typography and designs like Taj Mahal, Howrah Bridge, Varanasi Ghats, etc. to decorate their rickshaw. Artisan. They have two choices to making line drawing while planning to design their rickshaw. One is line drawing directly made by hand as opposite side, and second is by using a stencil of different shapes or metal sheet. Artisans follow the instruction given by their client and create these designs according to their demand. They have a specific client and they know what they want. For example, owner name in different languages, religious, natural, geometrical designs, etc. They have some of set patterns which they use in absence of instruction by the client. These patterns, they put some stencils that they call the forma. With these stencils, they can make their designs easily and in less time. They also make designs freehand. They also have their design logo on these rickshaws by which they recognize that the rickshaw is made by so-and-so artisans. They plan their design so that the time consumption and cost would go simultaneously. The process for making decorative designs: first they cut the metal, tin or aluminum sheet according to required shape. After that they draw design shape and diagrams with the help of metal marker, rounder, stencil, etc. Once the drawing is made on metal sheet, they select same type of designs and combine them together into a bunch. Then they start to strike by hammer and chisel so that design come over as an embossed pattern on the opposite side of the whole sheet in the bunch. While striking, they maintain their stroke with same force and same distance between one and another stroke. Synchronization in making strokes. They choose the design which they have to go first according to their choice, but the geometrical shape and other set patterns likely they go first. Then they go to the other diagram and typography step by step. Normally the sheet designed by the name of owner and other diagrams of religious interpretations like Shiva, Shivalinga, Trishula, Ganesha, etc. and implementation of nature like flower, petals, leaf, etc. Geometrical representations like circle, triangle, square, etc. as well as few special demands of famous Indian monuments, Bollywood stars, so on by customers which has mounted on the back of rickshaw so that it could be noticeable to the viewer behind the rickshaw. Artisans put their monograms on panel mounted under the passenger seat. They always keep in mind that designs made by cycle rickshaw must be communicative. The name of owner and his family member like husband, wife, children, elders name also are carved. Few quotations and phrases used by public of Varanasi are written of these rickshaws. Worship places from various customs and imprinted on them as an example, Shiva, Ram or Ganesha, the Holy 786, etc. Because these artisans have their own imagination level and most probably of their social level, that is why to look these letters and other forms interesting. They include inspiration based on the local catalyst. If the owner of rickshaw belongs to Muslim society, the symbol of 786 and moon star are shown. If the owner belongs to Hindu society, the symbol like Trishul, Dhanusha and Shivlinga. Along with typography and compose in the design, this whole process is done on an inner part of metal sheet, and a special part is that it is done on 3 to 4 sheets together. Fine chisel are used in typography art on sheets, and for border or typography or other pictorial art, they use little thick chisel. These designs vary according to their proportion and ratio. Process of making typographical designs. Imprinting typographic designs on metal sheet is a reverse designing process in which alphabets, Hindi, English and Urdu, are arranged and set in upside down position, just like old letterpress printing process. As an example, when an artist designing a type in a semicircle shape to make a semicircular design, they do not use any measurement or specific methods. It is entirely based on their experience and skill which come from their hard earning to past. These type designs are visually proportionate as measured and skill design forms. After making freehand line drawing of these types, artists start shaping up with the help of hammer and chisel. While shaping, alphabets and numbers according to their subject are easily made without any measurement with the help of their regular tools. Writing types in such a talented and skilled manner by these artisans is commendable. A clinking made from the touch of chisel to metal sheet display the skills of artist hand and mind. The musical rhythm coming out of this process reflect in the rhythmic hand movements of an artist. The structures of types used in this art form are not monitored by any guideline of typography, calligraphy, font, typeface, serif, sans serif, and other rules. These artisan designs typography accurately merely on the basis of their exercise, skill, and experience. However, typographical glimpses of inspiration coming from sources around like them film posters, advertising posters, newspapers, advertisings, film magazine, environment, and society, etc. This is a skill-based occupation and artisans family through their own style to maintain their working style. That is why there are some minor to major diversity can be seen when area and artisans change. On client demand, artisans do all type of changes and lure in designs they make the cycle rickshaw. Changes are maybe in matras of Devanagari or some alphabets in a range of language. For example of change, if matra E come of C come in Varanasi is shaped in simply temple dome form and arrow shape at the end of the horizontal header of the word shown. Generally, alphabets and numbers are written in Hindi language. At some point, they are implemented in English and Urdu also. In this whole process, the most appreciative and criticizing factor appeared together in the design. The criticism is that if some alphabet and matras comes frequently in similar design, the same alphabet later would have some difference in its shapes and style of writing. They also used the color part. After this whole work on the right side of the sheet, they filled and ornamented by enamel paint. The core color used for adornment are red, blue, green, yellow, and black. The cost of designing is also involved that. On the whole, the cost of per cycle rickshaw in Varanasi is around 12 to 13,000 rupees, and the cost of designer division is around 2,500 to 3,300 rupees per cycle rickshaw. We talked to one of the artisan, Arun Kumar. He told us to the normally one artisan can design 2 to 3 rickshaw in a day and earn profit to one of 150 to 300 rupees on each cycle rickshaw. To understand this whole process, we authors saw the working technique. We understand their social status and art skill deeply. The artisan who we talked to, Mr. Arun Kumar, the 41-year-old, the Murari Mistri, 62-year-old, Pradeep Kumar, 47-year-old. In Arun Kumar words, who is an artisan in addition to owner of shop situated in Beniabad, Varanasi. He has been doing, is an artisan in addition to owner of shop, this job for 17 years because his father was doing this. Approximately all the artisans are in business because somebody from their family was doing this. Only few outsiders apart from the family associated with the trade. Arun's shop monogram is designed on the name of his father Naresh Prasad. According to Arun, there has been no major dissimilarity in the special writing style since last 17 years. He told us that the rickshaw design from his shop are sent to Jaunpur, Azamgarh, Balia and other parts of the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. While asking about future, he told us that it is in last stage and he doesn't see his family growth potential in this business. In a conclusion part, the skill-based art forms like metal embossing, art of typography used for decorative designing, for cycle rickshaw and other analog arts need to carry further and sustain for opportunity. How to be practical and commercial to these art form and this entrepreneur art form needs more attention in future. This art form needs to be conserved and flourished for forthcoming generations. Such a skilled tradition and unique art form needs to be preserved for the sake of the existence and sustainability of a different type design source. This unique art of writing need authorities and cultural protection and preservation from nation what if deserved. We have tried that this type of skill-based art form should be noted and should be promoted as a perspective source of some different typographical designs, typographical style as well. It is a step from our side to grab an attention and concern for the preservation of metal embossing art of typography on cycle rickshaw and artisans. one of the video I will show to you. It's not more than 2 minutes. This is the one of another kind of music. Normally, hopefully this one in every day. But if you come in Banaras, you find out this place.